Well, assalamu alaikum. You want to go? You want me to go? You go. Yeah. هنايا راهو يقيس، راهو خدام معايا بيتر، راهو يقيس في لي كومباسيون تاعنا. دوك يدير هو الشرح وانا نزيد ان شاء الله ندير الشرح ديالي. I'm gonna do it again before now.
Right, we're now on low flame and we are in the flue, putting the tester in the flue and taking the flue gases into the instrument. We are looking now for, this is a maximum of 0.7, so 0 is good. Parts per million, CO, carbon monoxide, should be no more than 200 parts per million. As you see, only 3. Oxygen is 3.4%, and combustion, CO2, carbon dioxide 9.2, 10%. Efficiency is, net efficiency is 95.6, flue gas temperature 143. Will best be have above 160 is good, because of save any
with the flue temperature.
Flue temperature needs to be really above 160 if possible to stop any dew point problems. But that will go there once we go into the high flames. So I must take a picture of this one while we've got it. So that is on low flame. Yes?
That was on low flame, yeah.
Low flame. So we'll just add to that one. We'll put this on there. And back to here. And we'll take a picture, add. Okay.
Very good.
That's that. So now we take round the front, we turn onto high flame.
High flame. I do low flame if you don't mind.
Yeah.
If you هنايا كيما راكم تشوفوا حط ليفي لو فليم جست اكسبلاين حط التستر ديالو وهنا في لا ماشين راكم تشوفوا اللي كان يقول عندنا سي او 3.4 عندنا سي او بابيليوم 3 عندنا السي او 2 10 مليح لا طومبيراتور تاع الشميني 153 افيشنسي افيشونت 95.1 حاجه مليحه لا شودير هذه سيكوريزي باش تمشي لي كومباسيون تاعنا راهم يحرقوا ما شاء الله بارك الله فيكم. دوك انا رايحين للهاي فليم لا فلام الكبيره يا جو لا فلام الكبيره دوك هنا كلشي يتبدل لا فلام الكبيره كيما راكم تشوفوا او زاد لها دوك لي نيميرو هنا كيما راكم تشوفوا بداو يتبدلوا 2.9 هاي سي او. We go high CO.
Yeah, it will clear.
Yeah.
We've got the change over.
Yeah. كي بدلنا راحت الهاي سي او دوك يعاود يروح دوك يجي يديريها. Shall I press escape? Yeah.
Yeah, just escape. Yeah. That's it.
That's
That will start going down. You
yeah.
see?
Yeah. It's going down now. Yeah. Voilà. دوك راهي تريغولاريزي روحها. ppm shouldn't be more than 200, is it?
That's maximum on
yeah. It's going
gas.
it's going down now.
Yeah.
It's going down. I'll see.
So this needs to come down to about 7 if we can get.
7, yeah. What the CO2 you mean?
CO2. No, the CO, the ratio.
The ratio is going down, yeah.
The ratio between oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Yeah, the carbon dioxide.
So we're now down. That's an acceptable level, but we see how low it goes.
It's going very nice. So what normally you should be having it?
10.4 is a good one, good setting. 10% CO2.
No, on the ratio.
The ratio 0.007 is a good level to the minimum level.
That's domestic, but commercial you should go more than that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can go lower than that.
Yeah.
Here we are. See 0.3, and I will settle for that. That's stabilised, and that is high flame. And we are now 4.4 O2, CO 22 parts per million. CO2 9.4, ratio of 0.002, efficiency 91.6, and flue gas temperature 90. So that's
MashaAllah,
that's very acceptable, acceptable level to be at.
السلام عليكم خوتي نشوفكم ان شاء الله.